In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best My Patriot supply discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for My Patriot supply discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount of your order. All you need to do is just select this button where it says show coupon code, and for this one there is no coupon code required, so you can simply select the button where it says continue to this offer. And after that you will be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes, and here we have a list with other deals and promo codes that we can use for some discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one right here with a 10% discount of your order. You can just tap on this button where it says get deal, and after that you will be redirected to the website, so there is no code required for this one. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.